It turns out tragedy struck while mowing the lawn, and I broke my handlebar mounting bracket. Now, fortunately, they do sell these separately. I did have to buy it as a pair. That's okay. They are a little bit expensive. They were, I think it was like $85 Canadian for two, and it is pretty easy to change out. So if you have a Lawn Boy or the company that bought them, which is Toro, then this will be a simple fix. And I think really lawnmowers are all pretty much built in a similar fashion. So there is one bolt that holds the handlebar to the lower mounting bracket, and then there's three bolts that hold the mounting bracket to the body of the lawnmower. Now, one thing I didn't know is the serial number on the engine of the lawnmower is different than the body of the lawnmower. So because it's a body piece, you need to look at the body serial number, and then you can go online and figure out which part you need. I got these parts from Amazon, and one thing I did find was it's easier to go in with a socket extension that's long enough to go through that wheel. So that was a little bit easier than using a wrench. So one small tip there, and mounting these brackets up is very easy. Now there's no bolt on the inside of these things. I believe these are all carriage bolts. So they actually slot into the body of the lawnmowers, and you need to push on the carriage bolt so that it sits in the recess, which is on the inside of the deck of the lawnmower. Now for this, I'm only replacing the one bracket. I'm going to save the other bracket, and then if the other side breaks, I'll have a backup. Like I said, after tax, these were about $50 Canadian each, so I don't want to just take the good bracket off the lawnmower and throw it out for no reason, so I'll just keep that extra one. There's one adjustable bolt to fasten the handlebar to the mounting bracket, and it all goes together like that. It took about 10 times more time finding the mounting bracket than it did to actually install the mounting bracket. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.